Hello, everybody. I've missed everybody so much. Here I am at my house, and I thought it would be great if I could share some books with you guys. I'm gonna grab, I think, my very favorite one when I came to the States. This was the first book I fell in love with because it had a tune and it was so easy. A lot of you might know it. It's called Brown Bear Brown. And it has some sign language to it, so we can do both. It goes, brown bear, what do you see? I see a bird looking at me. Now, bird, for sign language, you go with the beak. You know how birds have a beak? So that's the bird. And bear, I need both hands for that one. You go like a big bird. That's the bird. Say, red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck. Now, duck has a bigger beak, so you put two fingers. Looking at me. Remember? Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse. Now, the horses have big ears, so for them, you have to put two ears. I see a horse looking at me. Let's get the horse. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Now for the frog, you want to put your arm and hop, hop. Yeah, so, oh, maybe without the arm. You can just go hop. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat. Now the cat has big whiskers. So get the whiskers for the cat. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog. And now dogs, when you're calling them, you snap and then you call them on your lap. So snap and call on your lap. Snap and call on your lap. White dog looking at me. Look, my daughter is here. You guys want to meet her? Oh, she's afraid of coming in camera. White dog, white dog. So remember, snap and call. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep. Now the sheeps have long hair where we get the wool. And for us to get it out, you have to get your arm and cut the wool. Cut the wool. So that's a sheep. So black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish, and the goldfish, they like to swim. Swim. And remember, in the olden days, people would wear fancy watches and they were of gold. So you would put the gold for the watch and then a fish swimming. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see beautiful children. Now for children, because they're short, you go pat on their heads. Children looking at me. Let's see now if you can remember the animals. Bear, bird, duck, horse. Let's get the frog. And the cat. And the dog. Remember, snap and call. Snap and call. And the black sheep. Cut the wool. Cut the wool. And the goldfish. Swim, 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 swim. You guys did it. Let's see if you can do it at home now, the signs, huh? I'll read it really fast and let's see if you guys can do it. Brown bear, brown bear. Did you remember how to do it? Yes, bear. Red bird, what do you see? Do you remember how to do it? Are you doing it? Did you get it right? That's a bird. Yellow duck, what do you see? Oh, it's for yellow duck. Remember the bird had a small beak, so the duck had a long one. Blue horse, what do you see? You remember the ears. You got it. The two ears. And the green frog. How did the green frog go? Hoppity, hoppity, hop, hop, hop. Purple cat, what do you see? Did you get to do it? Remember the whiskers for the cat. And the white dog. Oh, maybe I'll stand up for this one so you can see the whole one. So you go snap and call, snap and call, snap and call. Yes, you got it. And the black sheep. Oh, I'm giving it away. You do it first. Yes, you cut the hair. Black sheep, what do you see? And the last one was, remember the watch? Goldfish, goldfish, you did it. You remembered all of the animals. And if you didn't, just play the video again. And hopefully we'll read a new book soon.